elephants cannot dance.
By Mo Willems. Hello.
Hmm?
Let's dance. I can teach you. I am teaching all my friends.
I would love to learn how to dance, but elephants cannot dance.
You are kidding me.
No. Look it up. Page 11.
Gerald, it doesn't say that you can try.
You are right, Piggy. I can try to dance. I will try to dance. Let's dance. Oof.
Okay, let's go jump with me. When I count to 3. 1, 2, 3. Jump!
Jump.
You were a little late on the jump.
I was a little late on the jump.
We will try again.
We will try again.
Move your arms this way. We will try again.
We will try again.
Lift your leg this way. We will try again.
We will try again.
Up,
Up,
down,
down,
spin,
spin,
stop,
stop,
forward,
forward,
backward,
backward,
wiggle waggle,
wiggle waggle,
robot walk.
robot walk. Enough! I have tried and tried and tried and tried and tried. But I am an elephant, and elephants just cannot dance.
Oh, Gerald. No!
We are ready to learn some moves.
I am sorry. I cannot teach you now. My friend is sad. Silly, we do not want you to teach us.
We want to learn the elephant.
Teach me, please.
Me too.
Me 3.
More feeling. Keep trying. You are getting it.
Grr.
The end.